It's good, YouTube and friends. You are here chilling with the real Satoshi Aoki. If you like making money online through cryptocurrency, then you have come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about Bitsgap. It's going to be another episode of Bitsgap, Education and Profits, the best scalp trading bot in the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem, and the one that I have been using religiously in the crypto space. And I must say, after using several bots in the crypto space and having many failed attempts at trying to be profitable, Bitsgap has stood the test of time for me, and it is absolutely fantastic. We're going to be taking a look today at my Bitsgap bots. We're going to be showing you some profitable bots. The markets are looking very green at the moment. Bitcoin is kind of in a bit of a consolidation phase, but I'm feeling bullish for the short, medium, and long term. I think 60K is just around the corner, so there has never been a better time to start accumulating some more BTC. And we're actually going to be reopening some bots. I'm going to be closing down 2 of my profitable BTC bots, and I'm going to be reopening 2 of the same bots, but I'm going to basically be compounding some BTC profits that I've made over the last few months, and we're going to deepen our position. So I'm going to show you how easily you can actually do this in real time on Bitsgap. But before we do jump right on into that, I just want to say, whether you are a beginner or whether you are advanced in the cryptocurrency space, Bitsgap trading bot can work for you. If you're coming into the space as a beginner, you don't necessarily want to learn about technical analysis and all these different kinds of things and signals and all this madness. You just want to set and forget and learn at your own pace. There are strategies within Bitsgap that simply allow you to do that. You can invest a bit of Bitcoin, for example, pick a bot, maybe it can be a BTC DOT bot or a BTC Cardano bot, maybe even a BTC Dogecoin bot. You can set, forget, and those bots will trade, and you'll basically be making profit off the volatility of those pairs. Super easy, and you don't even need to make any adjustments. And if you're someone who does know a lot about technical analysis, you can do your manual trading, sure, keep doing that. But you can also be a bit more manual on Bitsgap. So while the bots are automated, there are certain parameters that you can set, and you can basically be a whole lot more profitable as someone who is a bit more advanced versus someone who is beginner. So it's really just a win-win situation all around. So if you're interested in any of that and you feel like you might want to sign up and give it a go for free, I've got a link for a 2-week free premium trial at the top of the description of this video. So make sure you click on that link. You'll be supporting the channel and you'll get 2 weeks free of premium. And if you're not already signed up with Binance, that's the exchange that you're going to use, or at least the exchange that I personally recommend that you connect to this bot. There will also be a link for Binance at the top of the description as well. All right, let's get into the bots. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so we are on app.bitsgap.com now. So let's take a bit of a look. The total profit with my existing bots is plus 14.44%. We are happily in the green. That's 10,369 USD. My current investment live on the bot is 71K835 USD. Okay, so if we have a scroll down, guys, we are looking fresh today, okay, in this lovely day in old London town. We are very much in the green, very much active across all of these bots. So we're going to be looking at my top 3 performing bots before we do change the 2 bots and reinvest and compound that bot profit. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that in real time, show you how easy it is. So if we have a look, the award for first place has to go to Engine USDT. We had a starting investment of 4,144 USDT, 57.71. Yes, you heard it correctly, 57.71% increase over 2 months and 9 days. That is an average daily increase of 0.92%, ladies and gentlemen, with a bot profit alone of 64.3%, which equates to 2,667 USD passive income. That is a money tree, and I never even needed to plant the seed. I mean, how easy is that, okay? And in second place, let's have a look. Who takes the title? I think it may have to go to ZIL BTC, okay? So we've got 43.7% increase from a ZIL BTC, an original investment of 0.024 BTC or thereabouts, and a total profit so far 45.15% on the bot, which equates to 602 USD across 3 months and 22 days with a 0.4 average investment change on the positive side per day with 80 grids and active, of course, as well. And in third position, let's just keep scrolling down currently and have a look. So I think the award, yeah, I think it's going to have to go to Reef USDT. So just had a sort of a late little run there, Reef against USDT. It's been up there a while. It's involved in the Polkadot ecosystem, so I'm feeling pretty bullish about the Reef altcoin token there. We had an initial starting investment of 3,035 USDT, 21% investment change, been open for 2 months, 13 days, 0.37% on the day is the average there, and a bot profit of $837. Everything's green, guys. This is what we want to see. This is what we want to see. And guys, my worst performer is still up 1.34%, and that's BNB ETH, my old horse there, which I've just set up. It's a really nice one, guys, the BNB ETH, because I'm bullish on BNB. I'm bullish on ETH. If you're not, I don't know what's wrong with you. But by the way, these videos are never financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but the BNB ETH pair is a conservative pair that I've had open for 23 hours, and it's already done up 1.34%. And one that I did want to show you before we do change the bots around a little bit, guys, is the Burger BNB bot. Now, for those of you that don't know, Burger is sort of, I wouldn't even say it's up and coming. It's a properly established money market maker on Binance Smart Chain, okay? So it's doing some stuff similar to PancakeSwap, but you can actually get some loans using the Burger Swap protocol, okay? And that is a solid pair at the moment against BNB. I started that one, ladies and gents, just 23 hours ago at the making of this video with a 7.2 BNB starting investment. Guys, already up 6.79%. That's 363 bot profit dollars in 23 hours. And you know how much time it took me to set up this bot? I'll tell you how much. It took about 4.75 seconds on the clock, okay? So kind of a no-brainer, guys. So let's get into it now. Enough fapping, and let's check out the bots that we do want to change. So I have already decided which bots I do want to change. They're both going to be BTC bots. So we got the Chiliz BTC. For those of you that don't know, Chiliz is an NFT infrastructure token that focuses on sort of elite sports, particularly in the area of soccer/football, okay, depending on what part of the world you are from. And not just that, but also the UFC, among some other really, really good sort of elite sport categories there. So if you're into your sports and you get sort of you understand the volume and the money in sort of the elite sport industry in sort of like, yeah, the EPL, sort of UFC, and probably some more partnerships to come, Chiliz is leading the way in that department. I think it's maybe a market cap rank number 2 or 3 out of actually the NFT altcoins. So I'm very, very, very bullish on NFTs, and hence I'm very, very bullish on Chiliz. So we're going to be adding to Chiliz, okay? And we're also going to be adding to ADA. Now, ADA is a position that I've recently opened. I'm actually doing some yield farming on an ADA to BNB, a yield farm pair on SwipeSwap, okay? It's only just, I'm a bit late to the party. I know I missed sort of the sort of cheaper prices of ADA, but there's just, you know, there's an old saying that goes, there's no smoke without fire. Everyone's talking bullish stuff about ADA, and I'm a believer now in ADA and Ethereum. So I'm feeling bullish on that. I'm happy with the 8.27% increase over 16 days with the ADA to BTC pair. So I'm going to add to that, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to add to that. I'm bullish on Chiliz, I'm bullish on ADA, and obviously I want to be accumulating more BTC. So let's do this right now, okay? So we're going to shut down the BTC, and we're going to shut down the ADA, and we're going to add sort of more to this, okay? So I'm going to show you how it works, guys. So here we've got the little cross symbol on the right hand side here. We'll do Chiliz BTC first. We're going to cross that one there, and as you can see, it gives you an option of how you want to close the bot down, okay? So you can sell at market price, or you can just cancel all the open orders and you can manually sort of close them when you wish. But I'm going to sell at market price, okay? I'm going to sell at market price. I'm going to take my profits from the Chiliz in BTC, and we're going to reopen. So bottom left of screen, as you can see, it's that fast, okay? There's such great liquidity on Binance that, you know, it does go through really, really quick. And that one's pretty much done now, ladies and gents. So we're going to do the second one as well, okay? So we're going to go to ADA BTC, as you can see here, 8.13, and I mean, how quick was that? We're going to close that down. We're going to do the same thing, okay? We're going to sell at market price close bot, and focus attention on bottom of screen left side, ADA BTC bot cancelled, and that will also sell at the market price. So I'll be stacking my BTC now, ladies and gentlemen. So now we're going to go back and we're going to open a Chiliz bot again. So all I have to do is literally search here. I know the ticker symbol is CHZ for Chiliz, okay? And it's doing a 25.34% over the last 30 days, or last month if you like. We're going to open that bot, so you saw there bottom left of screen, it just filled the last few orders there, okay? So we're opening the Chiliz BTC. Oh, and the ADA one just filled as well, so it just takes a moment there. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so I just gave that 30 seconds or so just to make sure those market orders were filled, okay? So Binance, guys, the reason why I've left the link for Binance in the description of this video is because the liquidity is absolutely fantastic, okay? So it's kind of like a bit of a no-brainer, in my opinion, to get involved in Binance. So let's have a look now, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to open the Chiliz BTC, and let's have a look how much BTC we've got available to invest. So as you can see here, we're almost got 0.4 BTC, which is quite a bit, okay? So it's 0.397457776 BTC. So I'm basically going to take half of this, invest it in the Chiliz one, and half of it and invest it in the ADA one. So all I need to do is I need to change this figure to roughly half, which is going to be 0.198. So I changed this here, watch closely, ladies and gentlemen, to 0.198, okay? Now that's roughly 47.33%. So I'm happy to go with that, okay? The S-Bot is the strategy, all right? The exchange is Binance, the pair is Chiliz BTC. We'll just quickly run over these. I wouldn't normally do this because they're already set, but just, you know, for the purpose of the video, you can see it. 0.19% BTC initial investment, okay, which is 47%, pretty much. We'll call that half of what I've got there, okay? We've got the lower price and the upper price just set in place here. I'm not going to modify that. I'm happy just to leave it as is, okay? With these market conditions, we're going to turn the trailing up on, so that basically means as the price goes up, the upper and lower grids will sort of follow the price movements of the pair up, so that, you know, you don't get killed when, well, you don't get screwed over when the price of one of these altcoins pumps, okay? It's a trailing up function there, all right? And also as well, folks, we're going to change the grid levels, okay? So now I've been advised to always go between 60 and 80 grid levels, and I've had some really, really good success in that department. So I think we're going to go for 70 grids, okay? We're going to go for 70 grids. The total investment is the same. We're going to start the bot, and watch how fast this is. Look, I've hit the button. It's going to ask you to buy. To start this bot, it's necessary to buy 8751 CHs, which is Chiliz at the market price. Yes, buy. And we'll just give that just a few moments, guys. I'm not cutting this. I'm leaving it in real time. Bottom left of screen, market order filled. And as you can see there, the Chiliz bot is already active, okay? So we're going to do the same thing, but the only thing we're going to do is change the bot that we're going to open to ADA BTC. So literally so easy. We just type ADA there in the search, okay? And we scroll down to ADA BTC. It's done 8.59% in the last month, which, you know, doesn't sound great when you compare it to like 30%, 20%, even 40% on some of these bots. But, you know, I am feeling bullish on ADA. I think, you know, the lid is about to pop off crypto, and if it does, then that, in my opinion, the ADA BTC bot is a solid bot to have. So now that we've got the ADA set up, okay, we're going to go for the max on here for ADA, okay, which is 0.208, okay? The pair is ADA, exchange is Binance, the strategy is S-Bot, lower price, upper price is the same, trailing up is set on, grid levels, all right. We're gonna just scratch that, and we'll go for, I might actually go for 80 grids on this one, okay? We'll mix that up a bit, and we'll start that bot there. And Bob's your uncle. To start this bot, you got to purchase 4233 ADA. We're gonna purchase it at the market price. Yes, baby. Let's hit that up. Let it load for just a few more moments. Bottom left of screen, ADA BTC market order filled 2 times there, and boom, that's done. Okay, that's done. You can stop the video right here. Make sure you do like and subscribe though before you go, if you did enjoy the content today, and if you like making money online. So if you can see this here, ladies and gentlemen, if we just scroll down and have a look, all right, the 2 bots are open, okay? Value 0.2 for the ADA, value 0.19 for the Chiliz BTC. They both have 0% change, 0% bot profit there. Everything's pretty much 0, okay? And the bot started there, just got a notification, and that's literally it, ladies and gents. That's it. Alrighty folks, so I hope you did enjoy that video, and let me know in the comments section of this video, is Bitsgap something that you want to try out? And even if you have any questions around Bitsgap, I do have a free Telegram group in the description of this video. Make sure you do jump in there, because there are many of us from the Bitsgap community actively using and talking about bots and discussing bots every single day. We talk about the crypto.com ecosystem, we talk about NFTs, we talk about DeFi, and of course all things related to cryptocurrency, and it's a really friendly Telegram group in there. So do come and say hi. If you did enjoy the content today, then make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn the notification bells on so you do know when new videos come out. And if you're interested in signing up for Bitsgap, then make sure you use the premium link in the description of this video, and you'll get 2 weeks free, and there will also be a link for Binance as well. So from wherever you are watching from in the world, I thank you very much for your time and watching this video. I hope you have a blessed rest of your day, and I shall catch you in the next one. Cheers, viewers.